Hi, I'm Eric with MarineMax in Westbrook, Connecticut, and we are on a 2026 Boston Whaler 250 Outrage. This boat is powered by twin 225 Mercury V6s. Back here at the aft, we've got rod holders, we've got a freshwater washdown and a live well. Stern seat folds up in case you wanted to do some fishing. Coaming pads all the way around, all the way up to the bow. We've got our bilge access here in the middle of the floor, two fish boxes, some drawer storage on the port side, and our dive door. You can see we've got tow rails for fishing and rod storage on both sides. Cup holders and rod holders back here. At the helm, we've got another live well in the leaning post, cup holders, storage drawers on the port side, two really nice seats with armrests, flip down bolsters. We've got dual Simrad displays, JL audio stereo, trim tabs. And we've also got storage, glove box storage here on the helm, and then up above on the painted hardtop, it's actually painted platinum, the same color as the hull. We've got more storage, life jacket storage, and then our map light. Stereo system on this is the upgraded deluxe stereo system. Really great sound coming out of this boat. Built into the gunnels, we've got trolling seats that fold out on both sides. And then in here, we've got our head, which also has storage for the bow table. Vacuum flush head, lots of storage. The table and the arm are stored in there. As we come up to the bow, we've got a really nice lounge seat right at the front of the helm with fold down armrests. We've got, again, the coaming bolsters all the way around, making this a really comfortable ride. We've got our cockpit table mount, our bow table mount here. Fish box underneath, insulated, drainable. And then we've got more storage underneath this seat. Up the bow, we've got our anchor windlass, stainless steel grab rails all the way around. We've got floodlights under the hardtop, windshield wiper, and also really nice to have this actuated vent. So if you're cruising in no wake zones or out of the marina, open that up to get some fresh air, close it when you're going offshore. Really nice sturdy boat, high interior, freeboard, grab handles everywhere. This boat is a really safe boat, definitely one of the most capable 25-footers out there. Come on down to MarineMax Westbrook and check it out.